Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Chauvin, local and long-distance movers near me. Sometimes, moving the items from one region to another can be a difficult task for anybody, so it's always workable to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. We ensure the timely delivery of your goods and make sure not to damage any items during the transportation process. Also, we understand you might not have the legal permits to move items from one place to another, so we take over the complicated process for you. Sometimes you may need to pay for the transportation of heavy-duty items. In such cases, 3 Movers can make your task easier and ensure that you get the right returns for your money on our world-class services. Often, we choose to load and unload on our own, especially when we shift to a local place, which is not workable in the long run. In such cases, hiring a professional mover will be the better choice for you. We at 3 Movers offer world-class services for our clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chauvin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.